How to delete Rednote account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Rednote app on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Further, go ahead and tap on your profile option from the bottom right of your screen. You will then see the settings option beside the edit profile option. Tap on it and further tap on the account security option, and now scroll down and you will see the account cancellation option. Tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the send verification code option and further enter the verification code sent to you on your phone number, and then tap on the next step button in red color. You will then be shown with the important reminders, so go through the reminder and tap on the I agree radio button you see there, and further tap on the next button. You will then be required to select a reason for why you are deleting your account. So select a reason and then add and screenshot as a proof if you have any. Finally, tap on the confirm log add button, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on the confirm button, and with this, your account deletion request has been submitted and will further be deleted. So this is how you can delete Rednote account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.